Assalamu alaikum lovelies. I welcome you again to my channel. I'm Abiola Balikis, and in today's video I'll be taking you through how to make this lovely cocoon jacket, also known as a rectangular jacket. It is also known as a rectangular jacket because when you lay it down, it looks exactly like this. It looks funny, right? Well, don't worry. I'll show you the secret to making this jacket in this video. All you need to do is to make sure you watch the video to the end. To all the returning viewers, I say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if this is your first time here, kindly click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. For this jacket we are making today, I will be using just a yard of fabric and I will be working with the measurement of 36 inches by 50 inches. The length of the jacket will be 36 inches while the wideness of the jacket will be 50 inches. Please have in mind that this particular jacket we are making has no joining on the side. It is just one piece. The only joining we'll be having for this jacket is the one on the front waist. So to understand better, just stay with me to the end. So I said earlier that we are working with the measurement of 36 inches by 15 inches. But because this particular fabric I'm using has a wideness of 16 inches, I'll be cutting out 10 inches just for me to have exactly 36 inches by 50 inches. The next thing we'll be doing now is that we'll be hemming the wideness of our jacket on both sides. So you just take it to your machine and neatly hem on both sides. After hemming, this is what we will have. So the next thing we are going to do now is that we will be folding the length of our jacket into two. So you just properly lay it down and fold into two. Then we'll go and sew also on our machine. We sew on this side and on the other side also we sew it. After sewing, this is what I have. So now what we'll be doing is that we'll be laying our jacket down in a triangular form. So just carefully lay it down in a triangular form, making sure that this seam we have here is on the center. You can see. So after laying down, this is what I have. So now for us to create the space for our hand, I will be shaping it a little on this side here, and on the other side also I'll be doing the same thing. So I'll just carefully shape now. So you have to be careful here not to make the hole too wide or too small. If you are not sure of what you want to cut, you can probably measure your elbow. Then what you have, you mark it here before you cut. So after cutting, I'll just lay that pieces I cut out on the other side, on this side, and use it to cut this side also. So now we'll be measuring what we have here on the hole to cut out her curve. So we have 5 inches there. When opened, it will be 10, the circumference will be 10 inches. So which means that the wideness of our curve will be 10 inches. Then we add 1 inch seam allowance, which will be 11 inches for the wideness. Then for the length of the curve, I want it to be 5 inches but unfold. So that will be, I will just add, unfold like this, I will add half inches, making 5.5 inches by 11 inches. Then to cut the other curve, we're having two curves, so I'll just open it, lay it down and cut out. After cutting out, we are now going to sew our curves. So to sew our curve, we'll fold the length back into two, then the wideness also will fold it into two, making 4 folds. Then after that, I'm going to flip one side of the cuff like this on the other, because I want to totally hide the raw edges. So I'll flip it like this and pin down with my pins. So after pinning down, I'm just going to go to my machine and sew it. So after sewing, this is what we have. You can see the rough edges is totally hidden. So now I will now be turning my cloth to the negative part and lay it down. Then I will fix my cuff inside it like this, making sure that the seam on both the cuff and the jacket are directly on each other. Then I will pin round. After pinning round, I'll just go to my machine and sew round also. So I'll sew on this side and repeat the same step on the other side also. So after fixing the cuff, it is going to look exactly this way. You can see there is no rough edges both inside and out. So, and when we lay it down, it's going to look this way. So this is how we are going to wear it. This is how it's going to look. So the upper part there will be the neckline of our jacket, while this side here will be the length of the jacket, and this side that has the joining will be the wideness of our jacket. And when you lay the jacket down with the joining on the side, it gives us a rectangular shape like this. So you can decide to actually style your jacket anyhow you like it, either by putting a brooch on it like this or without even putting a brooch. Anyhow you want is fine. So with this, we have come to an end of this tutorial. If you have any questions for me regarding this jacket, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button below. See you in my next video. Bye.